In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your Wix website speed. We all know that having a sluggish website can really be a drag, especially when you're trying to make the best impression with your visitors. So let's dive right in and speed things up. To start, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your website editor. Here in the editor is where we have all the tools necessary to tweak and optimize our site's performance. Now, what we want to do first is make some adjustments to how your site handles design transitions, which can significantly impact loading times. Look towards the top of your editor interface and click on Site Design. From there, go to Page Transition and select None. By choosing this option, we're getting rid of unnecessary animations that can slow down your site. While animations might look nice, they can sometimes add extra seconds to your page load times, which we definitely want to avoid. Next up, let's move on to the Site Pages and Menu section. Once there, you should see 3 horizontal dots, usually located next to your page names. Click on these dots and then select Settings. As you scroll to the bottom of the Settings page, you'll come across an option to manually control caching for this page. Make sure to enable this feature. By doing so, we're reducing the amount of data your site has to load each time someone visits it. This is a neat little trick that often helps to boost speed. In essence, what we're doing with these 2 actions is removing some of the graphical effects that, while aesthetically pleasing, can slow down your website's performance. Remember, a faster website isn't just better for your visitors. It can also improve your search engine rankings and increase the likelihood of users sticking around to see all you have to offer. With those changes in place, you've successfully increased the speed of your Wix website. It's amazing how just a few small tweaks can make such a big difference in performance. Thanks so much for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our latest tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy site optimizing.